What language do they speak in Ireland? If you are curious about what language they speak in Ireland, you are in for an interesting journey. When you travel to Ireland, you will mainly hear two languages, English and Irish. English is the most commonly spoken language and is used in nearly all daily activities, from shopping to dining. However, Irish, which is also called Gaeilge, is the national and first official language of the Republic of Ireland. It is recognized as an official language in Northern Ireland as well. Irish is a Celtic language that has a fascinating history. You will find that it is still spoken as a first language in specific regions known as the Gaeltacht. These areas are primarily located on the west coast of Ireland and include parts of Galway, Donegal, Mayo, and Kerry. While only about 1.7% of the population speaks Irish daily, nearly 40% of people claim they can speak it to some degree. This means that even if you do not hear Irish everywhere, it is still an important part of the culture. As you travel around, you will notice that all street and road signs in the Republic of Ireland are displayed in both English and Irish. This bilingual approach is also present in various media. For instance, you can catch programs on the Irish language television station TG4 or listen to radio stations like Radio na Gaeltacht, which broadcasts in Irish. In Northern Ireland, English is the dominant language. However, Irish and Ulster Scots are also recognized. Ulster Scots, or Ullans, is a variant of Scots that was brought over by Scottish settlers and is still used today. For practical purposes, English will be the language you use most during your trip. However, learning a few basic Irish phrases can be a delightful way to connect with locals, especially in Gaeltacht areas. Simple phrases like Daya dit, which means hello, Slán, meaning goodbye, and Slánta, which translates to cheers, can make your interactions more enjoyable and memorable. In summary, while English is the primary language for communication in Ireland, the presence of Irish adds a unique cultural element that you might encounter during your travels. Embracing both languages can enrich your experience and help you appreciate the vibrant culture of Ireland even more.